Hey on guys, so welcome back to another build episode. Yep. So did a bit of work behind the scenes. Just rush job, so I didn't really get a chance to record it. But so now I've got the rear door on, so we're gonna go swing door. Now that will be secured there. Obviously we're going to have kitchen here, so with the door open it'll be secured by what's going in the back anyway. I'm going to latch it to something there. So I've relocated the chains so they were there, but then they'd be catching on the door anyway, so I'm going to remove these sort of latches. So obviously when the door goes up and secures like that, chances are we'll go some more of these, a bit more heavy duty on the ends. So yeah, that's there. There will be something along the outsides of the door, but obviously on the inside of the trailer to seal that gap. So yeah, we've pretty heavy duty hinges on the back, over screwed it to the door. Obviously just given how much, it's not really heavy, with the amount of weight on there it seems to be holding pretty well. I have also gone along and trimmed all these tabs off, so obviously don't catch on anything. So done the same up front as well. So the next step will be to put these two side doors on, but I've got a feeling that I'm going to have to take the trailer out to get that, otherwise it'd be just one side at a time and go from there. So yeah. Alright, so got that door on, other door on. I started spacing out ready because on this side we're going to have some more of that square tubing on the inside just to help seal everything up. Unfortunately ran out of latches, so I don't have any latches on this one just yet. We'll have to go run to Bunnings to get some more, but that's in. So yeah, all three doors on. Alright, so we've got new seal frame in place, so obviously being the thickness of this ply, we've spaced it out so then it's right on top of it. So on the inside is a tight fit. Now I've allowed for a little bit of a gap at the bottom between the steel frame and the plywood, obviously so we can allow a bit of weather stripping on the bottom and the top mainly. I see that those two areas being an issue, but otherwise the hinge end and the latch end are pretty snug. Alright, so got that side in place. The other side's in place as well as the rear door. I haven't done anything at the bottom as yet because I haven't figured out how this kitchen system is going to work and how it's going to seal at the bottom, so haven't touched that one just yet. Now we'll be running silicone down the joins and as well as up the top, inside and out on that one, with door seals and everything on them. So I mean they're strong, they hold as is, but obviously need to be sealed because you've got light coming in up the top of there. There's a bent roof support, roof piece. It's got a knock to it, so we're just gonna have to silicone all the joins. Same with there, there's a bit of a knock in the steel for the roof. So